How to delete all Gmail emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. On this page, you can view all your emails on Google. Press and hold the email you want to delete from here. If you want to delete all instead, then tap on Select All at the top. After that, tap on the delete icon at the top right corner. All your mails have now been sent to trash. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Scroll down and go to Trash. If you want to permanently delete all the mails over here, then tap on Empty Trash Now as shown. Tap on OK to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all Gmail emails on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.